So guys, a few days ago, a new narrative emerged in the crypto markets and it was all about internet capital markets. And the leading play from this narrative emerged out to be Launchcoin, which actually launched way ahead of its time because, we actually saw this move towards the upside just recently, but it was actually launched back in January, as you can see right here. So there is your conviction. Right? You have to actually hold these coins for a longer period of time and you have to believe in a narrative if you really want to make money in this market, because guys, every other coin that is launching today or yesterday, the coins that have actually launched, guys, you don't really know if they are actually going to do really well in the shorter term. And most of the time, guys, it is all about max extraction. The trenches have significantly changed from last year to right now. Right now in this video, guys, I'm going to give you a few plays that I'm currently watching or I'm currently getting into, and I think they have some legs. So this is going to be alpha packed for you all, guys, and that is why it becomes very, very important for you to drop a like right now if this is something that interests you quite a lot. And now, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, welcome back. Right here we have the chart for Launchcoin. As you can see, we had a massive run from around $7 million market cap back on 12th of May all the way to around $360 million market cap on 15th of May. So in just 3 days, it actually did almost a 50x. All right. Right now, the price has been consolidating in this triangle, as you can see right around here. So possibly we have some sort of A, B, C, D, E. And after that, guys, it is very likely that we see expansion yet again. And that would mean that internet capital markets, this particular narrative is definitely here to stay. And guys, it is not just another pump and a dump. All right. You have to understand this. If something pumps from like $7 million market cap all the way to $350 million market cap in just 3 days, this narrative is here to stay. And that is exactly what I noticed. And that is why I kept on buying this right here. This is 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗧𝗏. And I really get fart coin vibes from 𝗕𝗠𝗧𝗏. This is 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗘. And this is from the Believe meta, from the Launchcoin meta itself. And right here you can see that price actually found some sort of a bottom in this region. As I always mention, the 886 and the 786 Fibonacci level zones, $8.2 million to $15.2 million market cap. And right here you can see we have seen a nice bounce. Now, right now we have some strong resistance at around $43.6 million market cap. This is where you will actually see if price will actually break past it, confirm this region as support, transform the resistance into support, and then we see expansion higher, or price will just get rejected here and then come back into your accumulation zone once again, and then maybe try it one more time, or the price actually goes to zero. So this is what actually happens with most of these coins. All right. So this is one thing that you really need to understand. So if you have a bag right here from around 8 million or $15 million market cap, guys, it is already 3x from the higher limit and close to a 5x from the lower limit. So this is your trade right here. You can take out your initials. All right. This is one that I'm currently holding, 𝗕𝗠𝗧𝗏, and I think 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗃 definitely is going to go much higher as we see another leg up on Launchcoin. All right. And as I mentioned, guys, we have some support right around here. We will actually complete our structure of a triangle when we come back into this region one more time. This is around $200 million market cap. Below that, we have some support around 140 million, and then we have another support at around $85 million market cap. Right now, guys, apart from 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗃, I also invested into 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗏, and that was also shared inside the diligence channel. I shared right around here, somewhere around here. Then price plummeted yet again. As you can see, we bounced off exactly from the 886 and the 786 Fibonacci retracement zones right around here between 1.6 and $2.9 million market cap. And then we see a big move towards the upside, as you can see right around here. So we have actually broken past the previous all-time high, which means that we are in a very nice uptrend right now. All right. So I'm looking for higher prices on 𝗕𝗘𝗠𝗃 as well. And I think this one has some really good utility, which is, of course, I think is very useful for girls at least. All right. So apart from that, guys, this is sitting at $10 million market cap. I'm still holding and I'm still looking for higher prices on 𝗕𝗘𝗠𝗃. Apart from that, another play that I'm currently watching is going to be this one. This is Build DAO. And this one is basically your vibe coding DAO. Now, vibe coding is another new narrative that has emerged in the last few days and weeks. And right here, you can see again, price actually went from around 200K market cap all the way to $9 million market cap in the first pump, and then price plummeted. It looked like it was dead, but then again it was revived, and then we saw a big move towards the upside all the way to around $20 million market cap. Now as you can see, price is again retracing back into our support zone or our accumulation zone. This level of 886 and the 786 Fibonacci retracement zones is sitting between 3.2 million to 5.2 million dollar market cap. So I'm patiently waiting for price to come into my zones of interest, and then I will be getting into it. Now guys, if you are interested to get into these type of plays, then guys, it becomes very important that you use limit orders, because if you're buying at market prices, you are most likely not getting a very good entry point. And also guys, you cannot be looking at each and every chart 24/7 to find that perfect entry. So that is why guys, I would recommend you that you join Axiom Pro, and the link will be given in the description section below. Everybody who's going to use my link is going to get something special next month. So this is going to be really interesting for you all. This is going to be free of cost for everybody who is going to use our referral link in the description section below, and that will give you points as well, which will eventually be converted into Axiom airdrop. But that is not the entire point of using Axiom, because guys, if you look at this, let's just open up this particular coin right here. Then guys, you can use limit orders, and you can place this limit order anywhere you want, and whenever the price will reach your entry point or your limit order, it will automatically get triggered, and that is how you can actually get a very good entry point. All right, now moving on to another play. This is Lore AI. And right here you can see AI powered Solana alpha terminal for meme traders, narrative focused token discovery. I think this one also has massive legs in the future. Right now we are bouncing off from this trend line, currently sitting at $2 million market cap, really low for something of this sort. And of course guys, what you should be targeting in this particular case is your all-time highs, and this is sitting around $4 million market cap. So right now, in my opinion, this is not a really good risk to reward if you're just going to trade it all the way back to the all-time highs. But if you're willing to hold it for longer, and if it actually plays out, because guys, nobody knows. All right, I don't know if this will actually go to like 20 million or $100 million market cap, or if this will just collapse from here onwards. I don't know. But what we know is the fact that if we are going to be using the right strategy with a right risk to reward setup, then guys, the chances of us making money in this type of market increases quite a lot. So that is what I'm trying to teach you here. And if you want a detailed guide on how you can manage your risk while trading meme coins, while trading these low market cap plays, then definitely guys, make sure that you drop that comment down below, because I have some really good alpha planned for you all. If you want that, if I get 10 comments, then definitely I will be putting out that video as soon as possible as well, and that will be the deal breaker in my opinion. Right, make sure that you drop that comment down below, and also hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now guys, coming back right here, there is some sort of a support in this region on this trend line, which is coming around $1.6 million market cap. If we break this, then guys, a very strong zone of support where I will be definitely interested to get a bag of Lore AI is going to be this region between $536,000 market cap to $958,000 market cap. Your current resistance sits at 2.66 million. Now guys, moving on to another one. This is 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗕. Now, as you can see guys, I actually mentioned this right here inside the diligence channel back in October of last year, and we made really good money on this move towards the upside. But then guys, price actually plummeted with the rest of the market, and it looked dead AF. Right now it has revived back up. So what does this tell you? Guys, it means that if the narrative is still there, if the community is still working, you might be getting these type of reversals for a lot of coins. Now, of course, guys, I'm not telling you to buy 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗕 at $8.79 million market cap, because guys, you have to face it. You have missed the move. But what you can do is you can get into something similar and something that can actually do this move, and it has not yet done that move right now. All right, so that particular coin is going to be this right here. This is 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦, currently sitting at just $1.6 million market cap, all-time highs at $70 million. And I have solid conviction that this can actually go back up to its all-time high really soon as well. So this is another one that I'm currently holding, and I've bought more at these levels. Of course, guys, this is not financial advice. I don't know what's going to happen, but of course, there are chances that 𝗕𝗠𝗠𝗪𝗠 also does something similar to what 𝗕𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗠 has already done. All right, moving on to the next one, guys, we have Omni Launch. Now, this is a platform which allows you to launch tokens on Pump Fund, on Bonk Fund, and on other platforms as well by using Telegram. And I think this is good tech again because, launchpad coins are the hype right now. I think the biggest narrative at the moment is all about launchpads. Launchpads are the ones that are actually running. All right. And OmniLaunch is one of those. Right now, we have some support in this region, as you can see right around here between 1.2 and $1.5 million market cap. So maybe in this region, we find some support and then go back up. Or guys, we have some more support in this region right here, which is your previous zone of resistance and support. So it's going to be another support resistance flip trade right around here. And then we have lower entry zones between 484 and $868,000 market cap. So this one you have to be very mindful of because you have to see where price actually bounces off and where you see volume rising and when you also see holders increasing as well. So if you want these type of alerts when this happens, when I see the confluence, then definitely check out the first link in the description section below and join the Diligence channel. This is where you will get all this information delivered straight to you on Telegram in real time whenever I get a bag of anything that I show you right here. Right. Moving on to the next one, guys, we have KingNet. And this one is also one of those plays which is currently in a lot of hype, currently sitting at $20 million market cap. We have some sort of a ascending triangle, as you can see right here. But guys, I really think that this can also break towards the downside. So I'm not going to be entering right around here. What I will do is I will wait for a breakout confirmed support. And on this breakout, I would want volume to increase as well. If volume does not increase, I'm not getting a bag. It is as simple as that. Do not let emotions take control of your trades. Make sure that your trades take control of your emotions. It is very important if you want to make money in this type of market. This is player versus player. Everybody is betting against each other to make the most money. All right. So you have to be smart. You cannot let emotions take control of you. All right. Now, your zone of support right now is sitting right here in this region. If we break down, then definitely we are coming back around $8.5 million market cap. If we break on a higher volume and then we confirm support in this region above $21 million market cap, I think this can go much higher from this point onwards. So I'm basically just observing at the moment for KNet or KingNet AI. All right. Moving on to the next one, guys, it is Aura Farm. And this is also one that I'm currently watching. And we have a very strong zone of support in this region, around $900,000 market cap to $1.13 million market cap. If price comes back into this region, I would be getting a bag as well. Your resistance or your first zone of exit remains to be $3 million market cap. Now, guys, the last play for today, but of course, not the least, is going to be Candle TV. Now, Candle TV is doing something unthinkable. What they are doing is that they actually started off as a video streaming platform for KOLs. So it was exclusive for KOLs only, right? It's not like anybody can stream, only top KOLs, and they partnered with Crypto Banter as well, which has more than 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So of course, there was a lot of hype, but then the hype actually died out after the launch. And that is why we actually consolidated in this region, even as low as around $3 million market cap. Right now, we are sitting at 12.66 and your resistance zone is $13.2 million market cap. So if we get rejected right here, I am looking for lower prices, possibly into this region right here. And this region is sitting between 9.2 to $10.2 million market cap. But guys, the big thing that they are currently doing is the fact that they are transitioning from meme coin to a launchpad. And the first candle launches are going to take place next week. So we still have a few days left before this narrative actually starts to explode. If, one launch out of candle actually does good, then guys, the price of candle is going to explode. All right. And they have some really cool features as well. As you can see right here, custom pricing options for internet capital markets. Imagine every NASDAQ listing starting at $5,000 market cap. It's not wise at all. We will offer 3 options for launches: Pump, which is 5,000 initial market cap, Run, which is 50,000 initial market cap, and Runner with $250,000 of initial market cap. So I think they are trying to change the game, and that is really good. And the fact that only KOLs are allowed to stream, so I'm just assuming so far that, only KOLs are going to be able to launch on Candle TV. And that would mean that those coins are definitely going to have a run, and I'm damn sure that they're not going to sustain. So it's going to be, a pump and a dump. But again, if that happens, if this move towards the upside happens, then there is a high likelihood that we are going to see higher prices on candle as well. So I'm closely observing the candle chart as well. If you want to know exactly when I ape a bag, then definitely guys, the first link in the description section below takes you to the diligence channel. And if you want to trade with us and get access to exclusive perks, then definitely check out Axiom Pro. Make sure that you're signed up only using the link in the description section below. If you already have an account on Axiom Pro, it's fine. Make sure that you create another one and start trading using that particular link, because the traders who are going to use our link are going to receive some exclusive perks next month. And that was basically all guys from this particular video. If you enjoyed the alpha and if you enjoyed the content, then make sure that you drop a like, and also make sure that you join us in the free Telegram chat group. Link is again in the description section below. And last but not the least, help us get to 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. To do that, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button and also ring that bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. I'll see you in the next one guys. Till then, keep hustling.